No, just show him the microwave. Don't say anything else. Just see, look. We're gonna have a cool microwave there. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
That was the surprise. Where?
That's what I think.
Come see him.
Thank you.
That's for being so good, Cameron.
Is that cool? Look at him! Look at him!
Careful. No, listen. Gotta slow down.
Yeah.
You gotta be quiet. Listen.
It's a parrot.
He's a blue-crowned chimera.
Is this a dream?
No, listen. You remember that nice guy Matt at the store? He picked him out for you. No, listen. Couple rules. The first day, you can only talk to him.
Okay.
So just...
You gotta let him stay in his
You
cage.
can't run. Come out, Cameron.
Hey, Cam.
Yeah.
You have to let him stay in his cage for the first day.
I'm just gonna close it.
Okay.
So you can look at him and talk
Hi,
to him.
baby.
He's...
Mom, thank you.
So when you come down, we'll talk about what good care we're gonna do. Okay?
He's so cute.
Isn't he cute? Cameron thought you would like the bigger bird than the cockatiel.
Yeah.
And then Matt's like, oh, I know Cameron. I got the perfect bird for
Yeah,
him.
they were trying to get you a little one, and I was like, no way, this guy can talk, dance. He's like the full thing.
Hello.
He says,
What's his name?
we don't know.
We
It's
don't
your
know,
bird.
it's your bird, dude. Elvis.
Or Casey for
Casey.
Kansas City.
Huh.